Welcome to 5-Minute Health Tips. In today's video, you will learn top 8 ways to boost collagen for beautiful skin. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace a medical professional's advice. Collagen is the most abundant type of protein in the body and a key component of the skin. Collagen helps keep the skin looking smooth. The body produces collagen naturally, but as people get older, the amount and quality of collagen falls. One result of this is lines and wrinkles in the skin. Collagen is also present in numerous tissues, including muscles, bones, tendons, blood vessels, and the digestive system. It plays a key role in many bodily functions, including wound healing. Here are top 8 ways to boost collagen in the body. Number 1. Collagen supplements. People take collagen supplements for their joint and skin health. A 2021 research concludes that hydrolyzed collagen supplements for 90 days can reduce wrinkles and improve skin elasticity and hydration. Moreover, the authors of a 2021 review found that the collagen peptides in supplements directly affect the collagen structures in the body known as fibroblasts. Number 2. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a compound that helps promote collagen production. In a 2020 study, researchers treated wounds in mice with either water or hyaluronic acid. The wounds that received hyaluronic acid treatment improved more than those treated with water. Also, levels of 2 types of collagen were higher in the skin around those wounds. Dermal fillers, which aim to reduce lines in the skin, often contain hyaluronic acid. Research found that a combination of hyaluronic acid and a purified polynucleotide helped boost the amount and quality of collagen in the skin and enhance skin elasticity. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen. A vitamin C deficiency can lead to low collagen levels, resulting in a potentially serious condition known as scurvy. If a person's vitamin C levels are low, a doctor may recommend supplements. Many skincare companies add vitamin C to their protective creams. Topical applications may help protect the skin from sun exposure and changes in pigmentation. Number 4. Retinol and other carotenoids. Research indicates that topical retinoids may help protect the skin from sunlight by preventing UV rays from breaking down collagen. Retinol increases skin cell production, proliferation. It helps unclog pores. Retinol also exfoliates your skin and increases collagen production, which can reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your skin a fresher, plump appearance. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, using a cream or lotion that contains retinol may help improve the skin's texture. Number 5. Light therapy. The authors of a 2013 research article conclude that red light therapy may be a quick and safe way to increase collagen in the skin. In 2021, other researchers looked at the effect of red light combined with near-infrared light on skin cells in a laboratory. They found that it stimulated the production of collagen and elastin. This could help prevent wrinkles and other skin changes by increasing collagen growth and improve skin elasticity. Number 6. Organic bone broth. Bone broth draws collagen out of beef, chicken, or fish bones, leaving a flavorful liquid that you can drink straight up or use in other dishes. Most bone broth recipes require slowly simmering bones in water. It is recommended buying only organic bone broth, or cooking broth from the bones of only organically raised animals. You don't want the residue of pesticides, antibiotics, and other contaminants in your broth. Number 7. Limit sugar intake. A diet rich in sugar promotes the formation of advanced glycation end products, aptly called AGEs, that break down collagen. Limit sugar consumption by reading the back of food labels and looking at either the added sugar line in the nutrition label or reading the ingredient list. Number 8. Aloe Vera Gel. People often use aloe vera gel to treat the skin after sunburn or ease a rash. In 2015 research, scientists gave people an extract of aloe vera gel called aloe sterols to take orally. After 8 weeks, the researchers noticed that in the participants who took the aloe vera sterols, there was better hydration in the skin of their arm. Their wrinkles were less deep. Their levels of hyaluronic acid and collagen almost doubled. The researchers conclude that aloe contributes to the growth of cells that benefit the skin. We cannot stop aging, but with the right practices, nutrition, and supplementation, we can certainly slow down the appearance of it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for us, so you'll get notifications for our future uploads. All the best from the 5-Minute Health